Take your calamari and squid tubes out of the packaging and wash them thoroughly. You can put both the calamari and squid tubes into 2 separate bowls to make this step easier.
I'm looking at the recording for this.
Once your calamari and squid tubes are clean, put them each into a bowl of milk and leave them to tenderize and reduce the smell. While you wait for the calamari and squid tubes to tenderize in the milk, you can cut and peel your plantain so you can fry it.
Get that out of here. Why do you give it?
Cleanup and being serious is a vital part of kitchen safety. Whenever you're filling up your fryer, you should add an entire bottle of oil to the fryer and preheat to 350 degrees. When you have finished peeling and slicing your plantains, you can fry them for 1 minute at 350 degrees and then press them down to smash them flat and then fry them again.
Are you recording? Look at my children! They're so big and strong.
Look at that face of sheer enjoyment.
You want to find out? Yeah, it tastes a little bland.
You're not really supposed to eat it.
It has a powder texture. It's a little bland, you know? Very dry.
Once the calamari and squid tubes have finished marinating, you can dramatically take them out of the fridge. Next, you're going to coat your calamari and squid tubes in the flour.
Get a recording up, stop.
The flour mixture is flour, cornstarch, black pepper, baking powder, dry oregano, cayenne pepper powder. Fry your calamari and squid tubes for 3 minutes at 350 degrees.